Hello and welcome to Health First, the channel that prioritizes your health above everything else. In today's video, we're going to show you the top exercises that you can do at home to reduce belly fat in just 30 days. So, let's get started. Exercise 1, Crunches. Crunches are an excellent exercise for targeting the abdominal muscles. It's important to keep your form correct while doing this exercise to prevent any strain on your neck or back. Make sure to keep your feet flat on the ground and your lower back pressed against the floor while lifting your upper body off the ground. You can also place a pillow under your head to reduce neck strain. To make this exercise more challenging, you can try adding weights, such as dumbbells, or variations like reverse crunches. Exercise 2, Bicycle Crunches. Bicycle crunches are a great variation of traditional crunches. This exercise not only targets your abs but also works your obliques, which are the muscles located on the sides of your torso. It's essential to keep your lower back on the ground while doing this exercise to prevent any lower back pain. You can also try doing this exercise with your legs extended for an extra challenge. Exercise 3, Planks. Planks are an excellent exercise for strengthening the core muscles, including your abs, lower back, and hips. This exercise is also great for improving posture and reducing the risk of lower back pain. It's crucial to keep your body straight while doing this exercise, and your elbows should be placed directly under your shoulders. You can also try side planks for an extra challenge. Exercise 4, Mountain Climbers. Mountain climbers are a fantastic exercise for improving cardio and targeting the core muscles. This exercise also works the hip flexors, which are the muscles responsible for lifting your legs. To make this exercise more challenging, you can try to increase the speed or add a twist by bringing your knee to the opposite elbow. Exercise 5, Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that targets multiple muscles, including your chest, arms, abs, and legs. This exercise is also great for increasing your heart rate and burning calories. It's important to maintain proper form while doing burpees to avoid any strain on your back or knees. To make this exercise more challenging, you can try adding a push-up or a jump at the end. In conclusion, these are the top 5 exercises that you can do at home to reduce belly fat in just 30 days. These exercises not only help to reduce belly fat but also help to strengthen and tone your core muscles. Remember to maintain proper form and technique while doing each exercise to prevent any injuries. You can also combine these exercises with a healthy diet to achieve optimal results. So, get started with these exercises today and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching Health First, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips.